Okay, Julila, audible? Julila, আজকে তোমার ভয়েস পেলাম না একবার। এখনো পাচ্ছি না। Okay. Okay, let me start then. So I can do this program in some different way. So the requirement is very simple. I will input one name. So let me show you the record set. So this is the record set inside the file. So suppose if the user has given Julila as input, it will just show no, because Julila is not holding the maximum age. So if I enter Rajoshi, then it will give me yes, because Rajoshi is having the maximum age. So now I will take an input from the user, simply search age, say search name equals to input. I will take the input from the user, enter the name you want to search. So enter the name you, okay, just one thing, let me create a new file, because this program is already running. Okay, let me delete the max name as well. I will just show you two more programs. After that, I will let you go. Save it. Where is the file? New file. Paste. Okay. So now I will take an input here. Say search name. Search name equals to input. Enter the name you want to find for maximum or not. I will take that name, max age, and I will take max name as well. So I will simply find the name of the name of the maximum age holder. So max name equals to, max was in which place? In the second place, means list val 1. It will be list val 1. Agree? It will be list val 1. So now, now when everything is done, the file is closed, everything is done, I will simply check if search name equals to max name, whatever we got. So if it is true, I will print yes, otherwise no. Sattuki, clear?
Yes, sir.
That is a simple way. That is the simple way. Yes. Print. That's all. That's all. Let me run the program. Let me give a name like program number 8. Let me give a name like search max name, say something like that. The program. Okay, enter the name you want to find for maximum, say Julila. So no, look, it is giving no. So now let me run the program once again.
So just click on the output.
Yeah, just a minute. How can I?
Sir, you maximize the.
Yeah. Now it is okay. So Rajarshi was the having the highest age. I think spelling is correct. So it is yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So it is the easiest way, without storing any value, without reading the file multiple times. So that will be the easiest one.
Sir, can you just send the code in the chat?
Yeah, I will send after the class. I will send all the files, all the Python codes. Okay, into your WhatsApp. Rajoshi, Julila, is this clear? Rajoshi, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes. Got it.
Okay, so these are the simple ways. Do not need to know much. Okay, to read the file, to write the file. Okay, next day I will show some more functionality of the file. The last program for the day. Let me copy this out. The last program for the day. Where is the item? So if I want to update something, suppose I am searching one role and I am giving the alternative age. Suppose someone is trying to update something. So simply I will take the role as int. I will take the input role input inside search role, and here I will give update age. Updated age. So, updated age. So enter the role you want to update. Say enter the role for which you want to update the data. Okay. Enter the role for which, say, you want to update the data. Say, so update age, that will be also an integer. So, or update the name, say, update name. Suppose I want to update a name a bit. So enter the updated value in name field. Enter the updated value in the name field. I am taking two inputs from the user. So search rule and these. Let me check. Okay. I do not need max age and those things anymore. I will simply update. So list val. Okay. Now role is in the 0th place, means in the first place. I am trying to find list val equals to search role. If I find that, I will simply update the list val 1 because the name is in the second place. So list val 1 will be the updated name. Okay, I've given the updated. I think I have written correctly. Okay, and if we reached out to end of file, okay, I can do one more thing. Found equals to 0. If I find anything, at least one value, I will update this found to 1. At last, I will check if the found value of found is still 0, then I have not find any such records. So I can write records not found, record not found. That's all. Record not found in the file. Understand? So if I get multiple values like this, I will update multiple things. If the values is okay, I think there will be one problem because this value.
We need to dump.
Yeah, I need to dump because it will update the value in the list itself. Now, what I need to do, I need to dump that value, but it will create some problem, and we will learn that problem from the next class. In the next class, actually. So I have to dump that because.
Sir, I tried like this, but it was not updating.
Okay, there is one problem that I will show today, and in the next class I will solve this problem. So pickle.dump list value. So I have updated the list value here, and now I am trying to write that file list val, comma, what is the file name? First, tell me if you are able to understand this code. Rajoshi, Julia, Satoki, are you able to understand what I'm trying to write?
Yes, sir.
Rajoshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why this pickle.dump? Because here I'm making the change inside the list, but here I'm trying to dump it once again. But here it will create the problem because I have opened the file in the read binary format. So yes, I have to open it write binary. But sorry.
Sir, won't it be AB?
AB, yeah, append, yeah, that also that will also be okay, but it will create some problem. What type of problem? Because suppose I am giving Shatoki's record 102 and I want to change the name of Shatoki, like I want to put a extra I. So what it will do? It will first read the record of Shatoki and put inside a list. Just understand the logic. It will put it here inside a list. And now I am updating the value inside this list. I am putting an extra I. Just let me delete all this. Okay. Now I am trying to put that Shatoki's record. My cursor is now at this position after reading Shatoki's record. Now I am trying to put that record here. But here we have already the Rajashi's record. So that will create some problem. Okay. So I will solve that problem in next class, but still I will try to check. I will try to check how it behaves. Okay. So let me run the program. So it will be something like a 9 and update. So it will create a mess. Okay, so update. First time I'm trying to update something. So enter the role you want to update the data. Suppose 10 Shatuki was 102. Updated value in the name field was say Shatuki. I am giving some more eyes. Okay, look, it is failing. First time it failed for the day. Okay, so that is the problem. So I will.
Sir, you didn't give plus, so it
why
can't
it?
read.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Sir, in the opening version, you gave only AB. You didn't give AB plus.
Okay, yeah. Let me correct that one first then. Okay, AB plus, okay. And Control S, okay. And let me run the program once again then. Okay, so say again 102 and Shakti, summarize. So record not found. So it will create some problem. So next day I will, okay, just let me check if I have given everything right or wrong. Search role, I am finding search role with list val, update date 9. Okay, why it is giving record found like this? Because some error happened here. And it
directly skipped in the except.
Yeah, it is coming to the except block and it is closing the file, and the value of found is still 0. It is that's why it is showing record not found, but it is not actual what can I say, actual error message record not found. It is giving some error, it is not showing the error, that's why it is coming out of the loop. Okay, clear what is happening here? It is some errors are happening here, so that it is going to the except block and it is closing the file and giving the message. That's why. Okay, so we will solve this program in the next class, because we need to place the cursor correctly, otherwise it will not be solved. So we have to use some seek function, we have to use some other function to make it correct. So I will discuss that on the next step, but you can try to solve this program by your own. Okay, that will be the homework, and to practice all the programs once again by creating the file yourself and to read the files by various methods, and at last try to update the file. So it will always give an error because you are trying to dump a new record over on the top of another record, as I mentioned here. So I am trying to put Shaktoki's new record on the top of Rajoshi's record. So that is basically creating some problem. So I have to place the cursor correctly before pasting the new record. So I have to go back to this place once again, and I have to remove this one and place the new record of Shaktoki. So that we will do.
To use the f.tel function at the beginning.
Yes, that we need to do. I'm not going to discuss that for today. People might be
sorry, not in the beginning, inside the if.
Yes, that we need to do actually, but we will discuss that in the next class. Okay, for the time being, the homework will be to practice all those programs we have done today. Just go through that, do it by yourself. So that will be more clear then.
So we can simply give here in the first after if list value.
Just try whatever we have learned today. Just try with that. Okay, if you are successful, then it's okay. We can check the program in the next day. But do not use anything else. Do not use any function. Do not use any seek method. Do not use anything else. By using the normal things, just try to update a file. Okay. Then we can discuss the same on the next class. Okay. So আগের দিনও আমার এই প্রবলেমটা হয়েছিল. Okay, let me close the class first.